guys. It is August 28th, 2018. Ugh. And it's Saturday, and I'm up because I'm gonna help Mom volunteer on my mom's job. So, but I have breakfast still. This is Mom's new car. This library has a pull-up window to pick your books. Yep. Convenient, but also that's one more thing a librarian would have to do.
That's right. I need my library card. Oh wait, I get it. Oh. Last time I was totally not prepared. I was like, oh, I'm sorry.
There you go, you're good.
Okay. Now you just sit calm. I won't make her mad.
Ring the doorbell, Mom.
I don't want to, I feel rude.
Well, we've been sitting here for like 5 minutes.
Well, I could just go around and...
Is she moving? Oh, no. Okay, well, our car's unlocked. Okay? There are crazy people around here.
Oh, that makes that squeaking noise. Introverts.
Well, that backfired because the lady was on the phone. Oh, well.
Why are you videotaping your food?
I always do that.
When I was a kid, you just made it and you just ate it.
Yeah, well, your life sucked as a kid.
It wants to know who's on your arm. It says there's a face.
Yes.
Well, again, guys, I did not film during volunteering at Mom's work. But it was fun, and then they helped me cut out some beads. We're going to use those for the preschool boards. That was really nice of them, because it weren't very busy, so some of the volunteers were hanging around, so I asked if they would help me cut out some beads, and they were like, sure. So that was fun. Now I'm going to just relax, because I became very tired, because I have not had a down moment in days. I think it's catching up to me, but it's fine. I mean, I don't mind being tired. I'm usually only tired when I have downtime. Like when I'm going, I'm pretty good. So much to do. Fluffy doesn't get very much food.
Just think of it as chicken pot pie slime.
He wants to say goodnight. He says, always remember, be happy, and we'll see you all on Tuesday. Bye.